Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and play Stumble Guys on Xbox. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into our video. So for that matter, all you have to do is first of all go ahead, access your browser and simply type in microsoft.com or Xbox Store. So right over here, once you are in this interface, all you have to do is first of all access your account and simply tap on the search icon and type it in Stumble Guy. Once you have done so, you can see we do have plenty of search options for it. Simply tap on the game of ours, and now you can see once you have done so, you will be able to see that this currently the Stumble Guy is not available yet separately over here in the Xbox One. The thing is that the trailer for the particular game is released over there on YouTube, and I'm recording this on the 30th December, so that means surely sooner or later it will be available on the Xbox Store. All you have to do is once in a while, whenever you can, simply access the Xbox Store and simply check the update for it, and if it is available, it will be available for free. All you have to do is install it, and as long as you have the Xbox console, you will be able to access it free and play it whenever you want. So unfortunately, this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in the next video.